Are you ready to get your freak on? Welcome to Move Like a Contrology Freak. My name is Kira Lamb, and this is a series of Pilates exercise tutorials for the Pilates curious up to the seasoned professional. Let's work on single leg stretch, which is the first exercise in what we call the series of 5 or the abdominal series. And when I think about this series, I think of the goal being how well can I stabilize my spine while my arms and legs are doing a bunch of choreography. This exercise is introduced at the basic level, and you do it all the way through the advanced level, but it gets progressively more challenging. I'll show you how when you meet me on the mat. Let's build single leg stretch, but we're going to start off with a fundamental so you can experience the feeling of the weight and the movement of your legs being supported by the strength and stability of your powerhouse. Start by lying down on your back, bend your knees and place your feet flat and your legs are together. So remember what it's like to scoop your powerhouse. You pull your hip points up into your navel or feel like you're pulling your lower abdominals into the mat. And then slide your navel up the length of your spine like it lands right here at the back edge of your mat. From here, gently press your left foot into the floor, hug your right knee into your chest, keeping your tailbone heavy. And then press your arms into the mat. Scoop your powerhouse and send your leg forward. Reach your leg through the wall in front of you so it feels like your back wants to peel off the mat, but scoop your powerhouse so that your spine stays grounded. And then exhale, bend your knee to bring it back in. As your leg goes forward, pull your navel up the length of your spine. And then exhale, pull your navel back like it's reeling your knee in. One more, scoop your powerhouse in and up so your leg goes forward and your spine is stable. Bend your knee, hold here and go into a chest curl. I do my cervical nod. I bend at the bottom of my chest bone and reach for the wall in front of me. I scoop to send my leg forward. I anchor my waist into the mat to bend. I pull my navel back and then press my waist into the mat to bend. One more, reach your leg forward so I'm manipulating my movement of my leg from my powerhouse. Hug your knee in and then lower your foot down. Bring your other knee into your chest. Press your arms into the mat and already start to scoop your powerhouse. Before you move, always connect to your powerhouse. Inhale, reach your leg forward and pull your powerhouse back. Exhale, drag your navel up the length of your spine to bring your knee back. Inhale, reach your leg forward. Exhale, all the air out. Feel the weight of your ribs on the mat. One more. Inhale, even your lowest rib stays on the mat. And then you bend your knee, keep it bent, cervical nod, chest curl, reach your arms forward. 3 more. Pull your powerhouse back to straighten your leg. Scoop your powerhouse to bend. Inhale, pull your waist back. Anchor your waist into the mat. 1 more. Pull your waist away from your leg. Bend your knee, hug your knee in, and rest your head, and then you can lower your foot. Single leg stretch comes after rolling like a ball. So let's work on the transition if you are working at a basic level. You would have just finished rolling back. You're here. Place your feet down. Place your hands behind you slightly. Lift your hips and sit between your hands. Press your knees together and round your spine. Pelvic curl. Roll down one bone at a time. Backs of your hips touch your waist, bottom tips of your shoulder blades and your head. Slide your feet in a little bit closer so your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Bend your right knee into your chest so your big toe is against your left knee. Your right hand cups your right ankle, left hand cups below your knee. I'm pulling my knee in with the strength of my arms. Curl your head and shoulder blades up off the mat and float your left leg up. Scoop your powerhouse and switch. Your left hand cups your left ankle. Pull your navel in and up and switch. Scoop to switch. Scoop to switch. As your leg goes forward, powerhouse goes back. Scoop, powerhouse back. Scoop to switch and switch. We'll do one more set. Pull your knee in and in. Hug both knees into your chest. Rest your head and shoulder blades all the way down. If you're working at an intermediate level, you'll place your feet down, place your hands behind you, lift your hips and sit between your hands, press your knees together, C curve. Roll down one bone at a time, backs of your hips touch, waist, bottom tips of your shoulder blades and your head. Slide your feet in, pull your powerhouse in and up and bend your knees, grabbing your ankles. From here, chest lift. Once you curl your head and shoulder blades up off the mat, your spine does not move. Reach your left leg forward, your left hand cups your right knee or right below your knee. As much as this leg reaches forward, can you slide your navel to the back edge of the mat? And then scoop deeper and switch. Pull your knee to your earlobe and reach your right leg to the wall in front of you. Scoop and switch. Scoop to switch. I pull my waist into the floor to switch my legs. I pull my waist down to switch and switch. Notice I'm not pumping my shoulders and I'm not twisting my spine. You just stabilize your spine and move your legs from your powerhouse. After you've done 5 or 6 with each leg, hug your knees into your chest, rest your head and shoulder blades into the mat. If you're working at an advanced level, your transition is this. In one motion, pull your waist back, flatten everything down into the mat. Bend your right knee into your chest, your right hand grabs your ankle, and pull your knee back. And then curl your head and shoulder blades off the mat. Float your left leg up so it's level with your eyes. Pull your waist into the floor and switch. Scoop to switch. Always initiating with the scoop of your powerhouse. Try to reach your straight leg through the wall in front of you and pull your bent knee towards your earlobe. Make sure you're constantly folding at your ribs instead of floating downwards and looking up. Keep pressing your back ribs into the floor and curling forward like you're trying to do the roll up. My waist slides off the back edge of the mat. Once again, after you've done 5 or 6 with each leg, hug your knees in, rest your head and shoulder blades down. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Now, if you're looking for more personalized instruction and feedback, or maybe like an actual class, I teach virtual mat classes on Zoom every single week. Go to my website, kiralam.com, and you'll find my schedule and you can register for class. For a discount, enter the code ContrologyFreak. Go figure. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and you'll get 3 exercise tutorials every week. Thank you.